Hello friends and potential friends. Well, looks like a war zone out here. Got a baby possum trying to eat the cat food I just put out. My rain gauge fell over sometime during the night. There it is, covered with moss. It recorded 4 inches of rain since midnight until the time it fell over. I'm not going out there because it's still raining pretty hard and real windy still. But the trees are whipping. And it looks like, well, let's walk out a little bit. Yep, all the corn's down, all the okra's down, part of the fence is down, and the place looks like a war zone. But quick glance, I don't see any major damage, just a lot of cleanup. Well, let's see, looking out the front door, I've got a palm tree I'm gonna have to deal with. Doesn't look like it's in the road too much, so it can wait. There's a few power lines down. Incidentally, the power went out about 8 o'clock this morning. So we're just waiting for the storm to finish passing so we can start cleaning things up. Hopefully we'll get some electrons going soon so I can cook something. Otherwise, I just got to wait till the rain finishes. Then I can take my rocket stove out back and fry up some bacon and eggs. The river's still whipping up pretty good. I don't see any flooding that I can see from here. And I'm not going far enough to see what else is damaged or flooded around here. But that's where we're at the moment. I'll try to get more details when things straighten out a little bit. Well, today I believe is Friday, September 30th. First calm day after the storm. It kept coming through here all day yesterday. That's when I did those other 2 clips. Hi, Snowflake. I see you made it through okay. It's a mess out here. Oh, I'm sorry, Snowflake. Yeah, it looks like a war zone. Debris down everywhere. Oh, my pineapples got knocked over. I'll have to see if I can straighten that up again. There's my weather machine. I don't have to climb ladders to get to it anymore. A big wad of Spanish moss landed on it during the storm, and that was enough to make a big sail so that it broke the pole off right at the ground. Raised beds are full of moss, full of debris. The walkways are full of moss and full of debris. The okra is all laying down. Some of them are broken off. Some may stand back up. I don't know, we'll have to see about that. Second planting of okra, same thing. I've got branches on my electric fence. Luckily, I did not have it energized. I left the Energizer turned off for the storm. Corn is all down. Purslane is buried. Okay, Snowfish. Hi, Licorice. I see you made it through too. Well, cats are good. Beans are about wiped out. Asparagus needs some help. And out across the back, might as well just step over here instead of going around. I'll be getting that out pretty soon. More moss. Loquat is leaning over. Lemon tree is leaning over. Papayas, pretty much all of them leaning over, or the leaves stripped off of them. There's some good sized oak branches back here. And there's a pomegranate under there somewhere. And a blueberry bush. The moringa took a hit. Guess I'll be chopping the top off of that a little bit earlier than planned. Oh, sugarcane is all leaning over. A branch landed on my ponderosa lemon and knocked it over. I'm gonna have to get it standing upright. And my big papaya doesn't have many leaves left on it. Oh, well, the cleanup begins. But first, I need to go out and see if I can find me some coffee somewhere. Because I don't have any electricity in the house. So I need to find a cup of coffee, maybe something to eat. Didn't eat a whole lot yesterday. And then get the generator set up to hook up the freezers and the refrigerator. Because it's been a day since they had any power too. And then I get to start cleaning up. And out here along the side, of course the cover got blown off my car. I need a new cover for that in any case. But she's still pretty. Not as much debris out here because we don't have as many trees. There is one in particular though. That used to be my dead palm tree. Power company killed it. They were always wanting to cut it down. And the last time they approached me about cutting it down, and I told them no, the guy said, okay, I got something that'll fix that. And a week later, the palm tree was dead. So that's gonna have to be cut up. But no major damage actually. Just a bunch of cleanup. And clean up and clean up and clean up. But first I need to get the fridge and both the freezers some power. That's gonna have to be number one. So if I ever get a chance to edit this, I'll get it posted to you. We did survive Hurricane Ian, just not in the best of shape. And I'll see y'all next time.